Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn the rules for the naming variables. So let's start the tutorial. So for declaring a variable name should not contain spaces. That is the first thing. Variable name must begin with the letter, underscore or a dollar sign. Variable names are case sensitive, correct? Case sensitive, you know that if you are declaring a variable and you're calling with something that e is missing or something n is missing, so obvious it is, like it is case sensitive, it will not going to give you the data as you want, correct? So let's move to the this way. Declaring a variable with test 1 2 3 4 something like this is inappropriate, but it's valid, but inappropriate for the naming convention, correct? Next we have, you are not start with the any kind of variable with one let like numbers. Again, this is invalid. You can't declare a variable with the space. That is again invalid. You cannot declare a variable with false. False is reserved keyword. Boolean is reserved keyword. If you go and reload this, you will see missing the variable name. So this is invalid. Correct? So what are the valids? So let's start it. So here we can say valid we have. So let's declare var dollar first name. You can declare it, right? You can declare like this. Dollar you can use with first underscore also. You can declare with underscore variable, correct? You can use with var first underscore name also. This, okay? You can declare with this is small case snake case, this is camel case, which I'm going to write first name. This is camel case. So if this is when you are defining with underscore, this is snake case. And currently we are using in the versions of the acma and the new javascript, this is called the camel case, correct? So which one we are going to use, the question is. So I prefer you can use the last one, that is called camel case. Camel case, new convention you need to use for declaring a variable. Okay? So hope you understand the rules for naming a variable. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.